Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to start chapter 9, a bicycle in good repair. So what are we going to see in this chapter? Here we will see that what happens if you try to do something that you are not good at or you don't know how to do. Right, so over here we have a man who is trying to repair a bicycle, but actually he has no idea how to do it. He doesn't know how to repair a bicycle and still he is trying to do it. So what happens then, we shall see in this chapter. A man I knew proposed one evening we should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day. Following day means the next day. And I agreed. So the author is saying that I knew a man, not a really good friend, but I just knew him. And he said that we should go together for a long ride on a bicycle. So the author agreed. I got up early. For me, I made an effort and was pleased with myself. So the author says that I got up early the next day, made an effort, and I was very happy with myself. He came half an hour late. I was waiting for him in the garden. It was a lovely day. So the author is saying that I woke up early, I reached the destination on time, but then the other man was half an hour late. So he had the time to look around and observe that it was actually a really lovely day. So when the man came, he said, "That's a good looking machine of yours. How does it run?" "Oh, like most of them," I answered. "Easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffly after lunch." So when the man came, he told the author that you have a really good bicycle. How does it work? Does it run good? So the author said that yes, it is like any normal bicycle. So he was making a joke out of it. He says that in the morning it runs good, but after lunch it becomes very slow. He caught hold of it by the front wheel. So he held the bicycle with its front wheel and the fork. What is fork? Over here, see. This front part of the bicycle that I have showed with the arrow, that is called a fork. So he held the front wheel and the fork and shook it violently and started shaking it. I said, "Don't do that. You'll hurt it." So the author did not like this. He said that don't do it. You are going to hurt the bicycle. I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. Besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. I felt much as I should had he started whacking my dog. So the author says that slowly he was getting angry that why is this person shaking his bicycle? It needed no shaking. And if there was a need, the author was the proper person to do it. And he felt as if someone was whacking. Whacking means hitting his dog. He said, "The front wheel wobbles." Wobbles means moves. "The front wheel wobbles," I said. "It doesn't if you don't wobble it." It didn't wobble as much as a matter of fact. Nothing worth calling a wobble. So the author is saying that it is not wobbling. If you don't do it, it is proper. Just let it be. He said, "This is dangerous." So the other person was not willing to listen. He continued. He said that this is dangerous. "Have you got a hammer?" I ought to have been firm. I ought to means I should have been firm. But I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. I went to the tool shed to see what I could find. So the other man said that this is dangerous. If you have got a hammer, please go and get it. I can fix this. So the author thought at first that he should have been firm, strict. But then he thought that maybe this person knows something about bicycles and can repair it. So he went to the tool shed to find something. When I came back, he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. So when he came back from the shed, the author was shocked to see that that man was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twiddling it round with his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. So he was playing with the wheel between his legs and the rest of the bicycle was lying beside him. He said, "It looks to me as if the bearings were all wrong." So he said that I think that the bearings are all wrong. I said, "Don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let's put it back and get off." So the man did not want to be rude. The author did not want to be rude. So he said that please don't trouble yourself. You will get tired. Just let it be. Actually, he did not want this other person to be playing around with his bicycle anymore because he had realized that this person doesn't actually know anything. He said, we may as well see what is the matter with it. Now it is out. So he said that now once it is out, let me just check what is wrong with it. He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. So he was talking as if it had gotten out by accident. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere and out rolled all over the path some dozen or so little balls. So before author could say anything else, he had unscrewed something and all the little balls from the bicycle's wheel were rolling out. Catch them, he shouted. Catch them, we must not lose any of them. So then he started shouting that catch them, we should not lose even a single one of those balls. He was quite excited about them. We grovelled around for half an hour and found 16. So they kept looking for the balls and finally they found 16. He said he hoped we had got them all, because if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. So he said that he was hoping that they had not lost any balls, because if they had, it would make a serious problem with the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. So what did the author do? He took the 16 little balls and put them in his hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. So then he realized that it was not a very sensible thing to do. But then what happens? We shall see in the next lecture. Till then, I want you people to read this chapter properly, and if there is anything you don't understand, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.